video. Today we're going to be making some really cute little stress balls with balloons. So if you want, we're going to show you how to make them, and if you really like them, then this is how you can make them. Just get the balloons from your nearest shop, nearest supermarket.
Any shop sells them, literally.
Yeah, and just get them, just plain flour, and this is how we're going to make it. So what we want to do is have this a big spoonful, two spoonfuls of about a
An actual big spoon.
just a big spoon and two of those. So this is how much flour you're reasonably going to get in there.
And that might fill up too.
And you want to have a bucket, and you want to do it outside because it gets quite messy, but you want to have a bucket because
so to catch all the flour, so you don't have to keep taking
from here, because you don't want to waste all your flour. So you can keep reusing it from there when you're filling up your balloon.
Okay, right, let's get started. So you're going to hold it with 2 fingers, I do.
So what you do is you get your balloon like this. So I've chosen purple because that's my favourite colour.
And I did yellow.
You get these your two thumbs like this, so you can open them up so the flour can fit in.
And then put your 2 fingers. So do little bit by little bit.
Because otherwise it is very hard to get it in. If you can't get it in and it's not going in, then you just have to
put your finger in
and push it down.
Right.
So you see, we're doing it really little steps.
Little bit by little bit. No, like the first time we did it, we got like a massive spoonful, went everywhere.
So also, make sure when you're doing this, because it gets very messy, use old clothes because
we're just using actual clothes.
But
use old clothes because it goes everywhere. Like before, when we did our other video, go check it out, link in the description. We ate flour and it went everywhere, all over our shoes, open it a bit wider.
So you can see now it's already getting full.
And we're doing little ones. So how many spoonfuls do you think will be ready to be done?
So probably about 5 more. Yeah, 5 more. So if you're doing
if you're doing one of those big ones, then I would put. It might take ages because, well, I would do it properly. Because if you do it like big bits, you will get nowhere.
Yeah, and if you're doing a big one, you're gonna need. It will take more time.
But if you're patient, then go ahead. And
it's also when you finish, you can.
Oh my god, then it's literally nearly full. Do you think I'm done?
Just do one more. You wanna decorate it at the end.
Oh yeah, we'll show you what our decorations are like at the end.
And we'll show you what they look like on the big one as well that we have made earlier.
We're gonna make 2 big ones at the end. So right. Now we're going to do a time lapse of us filling them up with
flour. And also, before we do this, you have to tighten it. So you can't just have your stress ball with it open. You have to actually tie it up. So you've just got to put one finger in, and it's just like knotting. So you just pull it up.
What do I mean to do it?
Go round and pull it through. And pull it through. Yep. Mama's going to do it because I'm not that good at it. But that is how you finish it. Also, once you've done it, if you want to give them a little wash, put them into some water. That won't ruin it. But just be careful you don't. It's very sealed, otherwise it will get inside and it will.
So here are our. Oh my god, mine's so. Look how not full mine is.
So if you see, you can just squidge it and it's very satisfying to play with. So if you like any other arty things like this, then comment down below and we will try to show you a video how to make them. And so we will see you once we've finished all of our little mini ones. little time lapse there. These are our two little stress balls that have faces on, so I'm just going to show you now how to get them on and to do your faces. Okay. Hi guys, as I was saying, I'm going to show you how to draw a face on your stress balloon. So I chose red because I like a red colour. It's a nice colour to do. And all you've got to do is get a black Sharpie, marker pen, felt tip, and all you've got to do then is go onto Google or Safari and type in emojis or facial expressions, and all you've got to do is find your favourite or just one emoji that you think will fit onto your stress balloon and pick one you like. So I have picked this, the little angle one, because I've got a red stress balloon, but you can choose whichever, and all you've got to do is copy them onto your red stress balloon. Well, in my case red, your case whatever. So if I can practice on a piece of paper beforehand if you aren't the best drawer. I'm not that good, but I haven't actually practiced, but it might be a good idea to practice beforehand just because, well, you can't rub it off once it's on. So this is my face. The little well, this is my anger face. You can draw any emoji you like, and well, yeah, that's how you draw your face. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, share and like below. Thank you.